Royal International School is committed to safety, transparency, and modern education. To achieve this vision, they partnered with SPDTG India. SPDTG implemented a complete digital ecosystem: RFID attendance, ID cards, online payment collection, Tally Cloud, transport management, bus GPS tracker, live CCTV with audio, HRMS, teacher staff attendance, and mobile apps for parents and teachers. Let's hear from Royal International School staff regarding their experience with SPDTG.
Hello, this is Dr. Rakhi Singh, Principal of Royal International School. As a principal, it is my duty to look after the smooth functioning of school academic as well as administrative work. SPDTG School ERP and mobile app has reduced administrative work from the teachers. Now, daily attendance, homework, and circulars are managed in just a few clicks. And our teachers are getting more time for teaching, and same time parents are feeling more connected than ever. So thank you SPDTG to make school's administrative life so easier. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Parul Shaw, working as a head of pre-primary and primary section in Royal International School, which is one of the known CBSE school in Dombivli. Our school provides a safe, vibrant and child-friendly infrastructure. As a CBSE school, we provide the best academic framework with strong focus on activity-based learning. Our goal is to prepare students not just for exams, but for life. We also believe that a strong school-parent collaboration is key to child success. In our school, we use SPDTG app to ensure smooth and transparent communication with parents. All the circulars are sent through school app. Parents get clear ideas about the school activities. Nowadays, student safety is very important. Through SPDTG app, parents receive notification when the child comes in the school and when the child leaves from the school. We have CCTV cameras in all the classrooms, all corridors and our school buses also. Through this GPRS system, parents can track the bus location. So thank you SPDTG app for helping us in smooth functioning of our school. Thank you so much.
My name is Ishami. I am the account head at Royal International School. We have been using the SPDTG app for the last 5 years. It is a very convenient app for managing fees as well as accounts. It makes it very easy for parents to check the fees themselves, and it also simplifies my work in handling the accounts. Overall, the app has been extremely helpful for both parents and the school administration. Thank you.
My name is Benita Shimpi and I am working from Royal International School in the admin department. We have been working with SPDTG for the last 5 years. It is really good app. Managing staff attendance and records used to take a lot of manual efforts, but now everything is automated with the attendance system. It saves time and makes HR work much easier. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sanjay Sharma, Transport Head at Royal International School. Student safety is very important. We use SPDTG, GPS tracker and live CCTVs in our school buses from last 8 years. With this system, parents can track their children's bus in real time. We can also see everything from our control rooms. It helps us to keep students safe and build trust with parents. It has made our transport system much better and easier to manage. Also, one can take stopwatch online payment. Thank you.
Hello, myself Vaishali Sapra, Admission Coordinator of Royal International School. Earlier, managing admission was so stressful with the forms, manual follow-ups and lots of confusion. Now with the help of the SPDTG online admission system, everything is very easy, very digital. Parents can fill the form online, make secure payment and get instant update for us. It is easy to track applications, document of parents, communication with parents and generate report in a second. The process has become very smooth, transparent and stress-free. Thank you.
My name is Disha Sabur. My daughter's name is Sachi Disha Ketan Sabur. She is studying in Royal International School, grade 6th. Royal International School has AC classrooms, a well-stocked library, well-equipped science and computers lab, and our school app has made everything so easy for us as a parents, because we can check fee structure, homework, exam circulars, even communication with teachers also improve. This app keep us updated. Thank you so much, Royal International School.
Hi, my name is Smita. I am parent of Nishada Monsavan, studying in 5th at Royal International School. Today I am talking about the Royal International app. It brings the classroom to the home with a smart and the seamless communication. With that help of the app, we receive the notices, urgent information in advance. Also, they provide us the exams, schedules and the syllabus, so that student can study properly and manage his study and subject wise. Secondly, we can easily track academic progress of our child. Also, the journey of is with this app in a single click, which directly divert to the digital channels. Also, one more thing I want to talk about is attendance. We can get the attendance of our child with the proper information, like his complete name and when he reached the school and when he left from the school. We can track his location also, as he is not a walking student. He comes through the bus, so we can track his live location also. So thank you, Royal International School and SPDTG app.
Royal International School has transformed into a smart, transparent, and secure ecosystem powered by SPDTG India, empowering schools with smart technology.